Fragrant Indonesian Nasi Goreng recipe. Subscribe and like for an Indonesian delight. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the vibrant world of cuisines. Today, we're embarking on a flavorful journey to Indonesia to bring you the iconic dish, Nasi Goreng. Get ready to awaken your taste buds with the aromatic flavors of Indonesia. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. Let's dive into the captivating flavors of Indonesian cuisine. Quote, to create this delicious nasi goreng, here's what you'll need. Ingredients: 2 cups cooked jasmine rice, chilled 150 grams shrimp, peeled and deveined 150 grams chicken breast, diced 2 eggs, beaten 1 cup mixed vegetables, such as carrots, peas, and bell peppers, finely chopped 4 cloves garlic, minced 2 shallots, finely chopped 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sweet soy sauce, ketchup mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 teaspoon shrimp paste, terasi, 1 teaspoon chili paste, sambal olek, 1/2 teaspoon ground white pepper, vegetable oil for frying, sliced cucumbers and tomatoes for garnish, fried shallots for topping. Now, let's embark on our culinary journey to Indonesia. Quote, Step 1. Heat a wok or large pan over medium-high heat. Add a tablespoon of vegetable oil and sauté the minced garlic and shallots until fragrant and golden brown. Step 2. Add the shrimp and chicken to the pan and cook until they are fully cooked and lightly browned. Step 3. Push the shrimp and chicken to one side of the wok and pour the beaten eggs into the empty space. Scramble the eggs until they are cooked through. Step 4. Add the mixed vegetables to the wok and stir-fry for a few minutes until they are tender crisp. Step 5. Add the chilled cooked rice to the wok and mix it with the other ingredients. Step 6. Pour the soy sauce, sweet soy sauce, fish sauce, shrimp paste, chili paste, and ground white pepper into the wok. Stir-fry everything together, ensuring that the rice is well coated with the flavorful sauce and spices. Step 7. Keep stirring and tossing the ingredients for a few more minutes until the nasi goreng is heated through and the flavors have melded together beautifully. Step 8. Once the nasi goreng is ready, transfer it to a serving plate and garnish it with sliced cucumbers, tomatoes, and a sprinkle of fried shallots for an extra burst of flavor and crunch. And there you have it, the enticing aroma and flavors of Indonesian nasi goreng right in your own kitchen. The combination of succulent shrimp, tender chicken, and a medley of vegetables will transport you to the vibrant streets of Indonesia. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our content. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this culinary journey to Indonesia. Make sure to subscribe and like the video for more delicious recipes from around the world. Until next time, selamat makan and happy cooking. Quote.